My friend, myself, Boredom's hero, prince of the alleys, stumble falling to a winsome table in search of wine. Mulatto hookers, cocaine bookers, troubled husbands, stolen freedoms that only evening unfolds to shine. Through the twisting in of screaming pleasure, to wet lips of infant leisure smiled. Could I grasp at the stars as they bring your night blue hair? Sable eyes, ebony thighs, she shines forever. Dancer bee, dancing free, she shines for me. So a masked band should mourn the passing of night time, a long metal dirge. We were prisoners no more of the new fallen angels. She will shine on for me. While jeering waiters grope at your shoulders, I drink your kisses. Exquisite room, my charming tomb, I see the man with marble hands. Your smooth pimp piranha cradles my swimming head, cracks his glass into my face, I'm thrown away. Then I'm tossed to bleeding on the street, no speech on earth to drag you away. And I curse where I lay, vainly vowing thanks someday. 10,000 engines skid and wheeling, puncture my skin. Bait and taunt for me to run back to my rooms. Though the bad taste of sleep clutching my pillow, in anger I weep. She will cry on my chest, she will shine on forever, she will shine on for me. Let the scripted begin, now the music is full. Let the night take me in, now the daybreak shall win. She will shine on forever, she will shine on for me. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh.